These bots make it possible to quickly buy lesser-known assets and just as quickly sell them to lock in profits. Be sure to watch this video until the end. I'm sure the information will be not only interesting but also maximally useful, especially if you want to deepen your knowledge in this field or start using such tools in practice. Let's go. We'll take a look at what these tools are, how they work, and also explain step by step how to use them to achieve the desired results. In addition, we'll discuss what advantages you can already get from using them now and what to expect in the near future, given the rapid development of the cryptocurrency market and technology. Let's start by briefly understanding what sniper bots are and how they usually function. Sniper bots are special automated programs used in cryptocurrency trading to execute trades quickly. Their main task is sniping, that is, instantly buying tokens or assets at the exact moment they appear on the market. For example, right after listing on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. These bots work based on predefined parameters. Essentially, this is a tool for those who want to manage to earn at the early stages of project launches, while token prices haven't risen yet. There are different can configure them themselves or buy separate private scripts for a large number of automated sniper bots for fast and efficient trading. Among the popular ones are bots such as BongBot, Snipe, Nova, and Trojan. They track the blockchain, analyze new liquidity pools, and react faster than a human, which gives traders an advantage in highly competitive conditions. These bots make it possible to quickly buy little-known assets and just as quickly sell them to lock in profits. Now let's talk less and move on to action. We press Start, and we see brief information about the project. Below, this info there is a Start Trading button. We press it, and it tells us that to activate it, we need to top up the balance. I choose the currency that is most convenient for me, in my case, Solana, and receive a payment wallet, to which I send the amount of Solana I want. In my case, I'll deposit 5 SOL into the bot just for the experiment. I check the box and now wait for confirmation from the bot. After a couple of minutes, the funds are credited, and now we can press the Start Trading button. Here we press it again, and that's it. The process has started. Now the bot has begun trading, and we can track balance changes at any time, as well as withdraw or top up whenever we want. Just for the sake of the video, let's wait exactly 1 hour, look at the results, and withdraw what we managed to earn from this bot. So, a little more than an hour has passed. We press Start in the bot and can observe the current balance and statistics of what the bot has traded. As you can see, the results are quite good, considering that at the time I'm recording this video, the market isn't particularly active or positive. Now let's withdraw these Solana and sum up the results of our video. To withdraw, we press the wallet button, then withdraw, enter our wallet, confirm, and now wait for the bot to credit our Solana to the wallet. Great, the Solana has arrived, and now we can summarize the results. In just over an hour, the bot managed to trade 5 Solana into just under 10. That's almost a 2x increase out of nowhere in 1 hour. Overall, this is an excellent result for a sniper bot, considering that we were experimenting with a relatively small amount. In general, links to all the websites, tools, and bots mentioned will be in the description below the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If so, don't spare a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you still have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments or in our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.